This video is on how to change the buttstock on a stamped AK-47. I will be replacing it with this one from an FAB Defense. Let's get to it. Part 5, AK Build Series, Buttstock Replacement. I went with this FAB Defense because of its features. But you know what? Before I talk about the features, let me let you know this. This is for a stamped AK, not a milled AK. Know what you have before you buy. There's a difference when it comes to the install. For a stamped AK, the install is pretty much the same, no matter what style of buttstock you're going to install, as long as it's a stamped AK. Now back to the features. This has a recoil reduction tube. Press this button and the tube can be repositioned in or out to best fit you. A storage compartment in the back. Press this button to fold it. It has a notch for a sling and an adjustable cheek rest. Even with all these features, I still had to reposition and modify the cheek rest to fit my eye relief with my scope. I also added 2 quick release connections for my sling. I won't go into the modification of this buttstock in this video. I will only go over how to change it out. To see how I attach the quick disconnects, watch my sling install video. If you want to see how I modify the cheek rest, if there's enough comments below asking for this request, I'll make a video on it. Legal disclaimer. I am not a professional. I do not have a license, or am I certified to work on firearms. All mods you see me do, I learned on YouTube. I just combine what I learned to fit my preference. What you do to your AK, you do at your own risk. And at no time during the making of this video was the firearm loaded. Use caution when handling any firearm. The first thing we're going to do is field strip this thing. Remove the clip. Remove the top cover by pushing this button in the back of it. Lift up on the cover from the back, then pull it out of the way. Now we can remove the spring. To do that, keep your hand on it. Push it in. The spring is loaded, so be careful. Lift up and back to remove it out of the way. Okay, now this stock has 2 screws. One here, one here. I'm gonna take that out right now. Then this just slides out. Put the screws in with this. Just keep everything together. At this point, I installed a quick connect and the alpha top rail cover from Midwest Industries. Watch my other videos on how I install them. If you're not going to install a quick disconnect, don't worry about it. This does not affect the buttstock install. Again, this just slides in. Once it's in, check to see that brass hole right there, the hole lines up. Once it lines up, take your screw, clean it. Put Loctite on it. Just tighten that. Put your spring back in. Test it a couple of times. Perfect. Push the button. Folds up. That's it for installing a new Buttstock. If you want to see how I install these quick disconnects for the sling, watch the sling install video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Until next time, peace.